Millions of people use public transport every day. Such demand for eco-friendly transport with zero carbon emissions makes electric buses highly attractive worldwide. There are around 400,000 electric buses in the world, and this number is expected to exceed 1 million by 2025. Electric buses equipped with a maximum capacity battery are mostly perspective, since they're used not only as urban transport, but also for long-distance trips and tourism. However, the present market of electric buses is restrained by two factors: duration of factory's construction and export costs. This is why manufacturers should be able to scale up rapidly due to increasing demand of the cities for modernization of their transport fleet. Deltabus is a high-end electric bus developed with the cutting-edge technologies from automotive, IT, and design industries. A process chain of Deltabus manufacture defines the architectural principles of the modular industrial complex. To increase exposure of Deltabus on the world stage, an advanced architectural configurator has been created. Configurator is a tool for enhanced decision-making. It helps to evaluate the prospects of electric bus factory placement on the selected site. The effectiveness of several sites can also be compared using this tool. Moreover, it also defines an appropriate process chain. The configurator creates the architectural model of the plant automatically, carrying out preliminary technical and economical assessment. According to site properties, configurator determines the optimal arrangement of factory modules matching the selected production capacity. A standard industrial complex will consist of production, warehouse, administrative modules, and a showroom. After that, configurator generates a 3D model with structural and architectural solutions based on the specially developed design code. Configurator offers the possibility to assess a large number of factory arrangement options in an instant. The program automatically models the process chain depending on the specified production capacity. The choice of full or simplified process chains is based on economic efficiency. Every production stage corresponds to the specific functional type of a unit. Unit is a key spatial item of the production chain. The number and set of units are determined by the planned volume of electric buses production. Finally, the production will involve robots and co-robots, increasing the process precision. To conclude, configurator immediately calculates the estimated factory construction cost. This makes it a convenient tool to make investment decisions and design a factory in the shortest possible time anywhere in the world, with due regard for the demands of a particular city. The manufacture may be easily transported to a new location when necessary, because every city needs Deltabus.